Hello everyone, my name is Pico Floors and welcome to my channel. In this channel you'll see a lot of weird art stuff going on here and there, and it might not be the best. Oh no. I might not be the best around, but I'm trying my best here. And I'm wanting to improve along with YouTube editing and all that. So here I am. First things first. I want to tell you guys about my upload schedules and all that, so that way you guys can be more aware. And don't worry, in other videos I won't talk this much. It's just because this is my first video. I thought I'd like to get a lot out there and just tell you who I am and a little bit more about me than I normally would. So with upload schedules, I'm a student, alright? So that means I don't have much time to upload or edit. But with that, it also means I have more opportunities to film footage for art classes and art projects like that. So it's kind of a, gain some, lose some. So just bear with me on that. I might not be the most consistent, but I sure try to be. As you can see, by the way, my techniques aren't the best, and this is also kind of why I'm doing YouTube, to have people to better critique me and tell me, hey, do this instead, you idiot, or hey, try this instead, nice, lovable person. I'm struggling with that mood there. I'm very awkward about that. There you go. Oh yeah, Edgelord Supreme. I made this character a while back, and he's kind of just been a mainstay. I know he kind of looks like the man from Disturbed, but I don't know. He's got his own flavor, I think. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, the song you're hearing is from my friend Swirl. He goes to school with me. Hit him up sometime. This is called Run. I'll put his link in the description. Come on! Get it right! There we go. Ah yes, Edgelord Supreme it is. Red and black are my favorite colors, so you're gonna see that a lot. But, I don't know. Oh, and if you're interested in getting more updates or seeing my other creations I don't post on here, mainly because some of those are pen on paper, then hit me up on my Instagram. Come on, hurry up. Nope, that's not it. There you go, that's it. There you go. And this is the part where I kind of explain what I'm doing here. So here's the deal. I love DnD characters, or at least the character creation. I never got to play DnD, but enough about that. With D&D character creation, you get to make weird classes and just have fun with them. Me and my friends created a really, really dumb character. A Goliath Bard. And here, I'm gonna kind of draw it in my own style, in my own comic book realism style. And I hope you enjoy that. I won't be talking for the duration, and if you guys want to hear me talk more, let me know. If you guys don't, also let me know, because I don't know when to shut up sometimes. Enjoy, everyone. I'll see you at the end. the end of the video. Thanks for sticking around and just checking this out. I know it wasn't the best quality or anything really fantastic, but I still really enjoy you being here. If you hadn't already, go check out my friend Squirrel, the one who made that sick nasty beat back then called Run. It's awesome. I love it. Also, be sure to check me out on Instagram if you want more updates on what's going on, and if you want to just look at weird little cute pictures of my dog. I'll see you guys around.